It is simple to add, edit, and remove employees inside of Purple Cloud. To do so, simply click on Employees located on the purple toolbar. Once you click on the Employees button, you will come to a screen where all employees exist. Now, if you need to add new employees, simply click on the black Add New Employee button here. Now, before you add a new employee, I would simply look at another employee's information just to see how it's currently set up. So for instance, I'm looking at Ann's username and I can see that MN at North Beach is the username. So I can follow the same scenario for the new employee. So once I go to add new employee, I'll add the new employee's name. So again, for the username, it can be their first name, it can be their last name, it could be their first initial and last name, whatever you guys like, or whatever scheme you already have going for your property. So for this instance, I'll do Larry at North Beach. And the first name of the employee is Larry. Last name, Lancaster. I can create any password I like. So if the employee has a specific password, you certainly can put that in there. Or if you have a generic password, you can type that in as well. And then if you have an image of the employee, you can add that image here. Status, full-time, part-time, or inactive. So I'll choose full-time. Role, I can choose as many roles. So if this employee will be working multiple roles, I can choose manager. And then if they're going to be working as a senior role as well, I can choose senior role. And maybe I want them to do housekeeping on some days as well. So I can add all of those roles there. If they have a cell phone number, you can type that here. And if they are logged in as a manager, they will receive messages or text messages on their cell phone. If they're an admin, you can certainly check that. Admin gives them access to the settings button and allows them to make changes in here. And it also allows them to create, add, and edit existing employees as we are doing here. So again, only admins can add, edit, or remove existing employees. Subrole, I can choose whether they are a trainee, a new hire, regular, so they get regular hours, so I'll choose that. Seniorless, this basically stands for those that do not have a supervisor. So typically Marriott uses this. So you can check that, or you can go down to the bottom where it says can mark rooms inspected, and that allows them to inspect their own rooms. You can select their language. So we have a list of languages here, but I'll choose English for this example. And then if you have any buildings that you would like them to be assigned to every time you choose rooms to assign, you can certainly do so, but for this example, I'll skip that. And then you can also check the checklists that are required to be marked clean before they can actually clean a room. So if you have that, you can certainly do so. If not, you can skip that as well, and then simply click on save. So I would never save any of their information, but once you do add them, you can refresh your browser and just make sure that they're in the list. So on the left side here, I'm looking for Larry, and there's Larry's information. Now, if I do need to remove an employee from the system, I can simply locate their name, highlight it, go down to the bottom, click on delete, and that allows me to delete the employee out of the system. If you need to edit a user's password or maybe a name change, you can do that as well. Just find that user's information on the left side and click on it. And then in the password field, type in a new password and make sure you click on save at the bottom to complete this. That concludes our instructions for the employees area. Have a great day.